Hi and welcome to another WooCommerce material. Today, I'm going to talk about free shipping in WooCommerce. In this video, you'll learn how to set up free shipping in your WooCommerce store and how to hide other shipping methods when free shipping is activated. In addition, I'll show you how to add a free shipping progress bar with just a few clicks. First, let's go to your dashboard, WooCommerce, and settings. Then the shipping section. Choose your shipping zone. As you can see, I already have a flat rate shipping method that charges $10. Let's close it and add a new shipping method. Choose free shipping and confirm. It's enabled, so I can edit it. The first thing is the title. That will be displayed to the customers. Then you can choose the free shipping requirements. It can be a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount, and some combination of both. In this case, choose a minimum order amount and set its value as $100. Save changes and check if it works. As you can see, I've got hiking boots in my cart that cost $90, and I have a flat rate shipping method available. When I get more than $100, I should also have a free shipping method. Let's update the card, and there it is. This way, you have a free shipping method in your store. But this solution isn't perfect. The main problem is that now I can see both of my shipping methods, and as I promised, I'll show you how to configure the free shipping method and hide other shipping methods when free shipping is available. You can do it by special plugin or even code snippet, but in this material, I'm going to use the free version of the flexible shipping plugin. Having the flexible shipping plugin installed and activated, you can disable other methods and add a new one. Click on Add Shipping Method button. Next, choose Flexible Shipping and confirm. Now edit the flexible shipping. Set title and description if you want, then set cost per order as $10, exactly like in the flat rate. To set free shipping over amount, just go to the free shipping field and set the amount for free shipment. Let's set it as $100, like in the previous case, and enter a label for it. Now save changes and check how it works. Again, I'll go to my cart and I have $10 shipping for hiking boots. But when my cart exceeds $100, I should have free shipping. Let's check it. Update card, and here I have only one shipping method and it's free. It's also free to get the flexible shipping plugin that offers much more than just free shipping. You can find a link to the plugin and more information about it in the description below. If you want to increase the effectiveness of free shipping in your store, you can use another great option available in the free version of the flexible shipping plugin. With a few clicks, you can add a free shipping progress bar that will display your customers the remaining amount for free shipping. To add it, go back to Edit Flexible Shipping Method and check the notice with the amount left for free shipping checkbox. You can add your own text for this message. You can also add a progress bar. Lastly, save the changes and go to the cart again. As you can see, I have hiking boots in my cart that cost $90. This means that I am $10 short to get free shipping. And this is exactly the message displayed in my shopping cart with a progress bar. Remember that the appearance of the progress bar depends on the WordPress theme you are using. In my case, it's the default storefront theme. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section.